Alright guys, so check this out. I got this GoGo Quinoa. This is mac and vegan cheese. So I got this from Costco. This is on sale. Check this out. So 93% organic ingredients, vegan mac and cheese, gluten-free, and plant-based. So, and apparently I read the reviews before I picked this up. Actually, apparently it got really good reviews for taste. So I'm eager to try it out. As you can see, dairy-free right there. And it is yeah, gluten-free, dairy-free. There's the nutrient panel. So what's actually in there is rice and quinoa, nutritional yeast, sorghum flour, tapioca, pink salt, brown sugar, brown rice flour, xanthan gum, annatto, and garlic powder. So that's pretty simple. So let's cook it up and do a quick taste test. So I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna show you. I opened the box here, and here's the packet, and it is very little in there. So you might have to use 2 boxes to actually get full. So anyways, I'm gonna cook it up and I'll be right back, guys. Stay tuned. So here we go, guys. This is it. Quick taste test. You know, it actually is pretty good. For a vegan mac and cheese, this is actually one of the better ones I've tasted. I tried one that was like made with yam sauce. That was horrible. It was like sweet taste, nothing like mac. This is the closest one so far. The next best one, well, actually the better one than this is actually the Daya one, but this is pretty close. Not bad, guys. Definitely check it out. It doesn't have that sort of like thick creamy taste, but whatever. It's vegan, so taste wise, it's pretty close. If you have any questions, comments, guys, please below, subscribe to the channel. The noodles are actually pretty al dente too.